Welcome aboard to pre-season testing day 4. At the first minutes, Apollo crashed and pulled out the red flags. In the Audi, Fridgeley was fastest, setting at 106.122. Senna Oates was P2 with a 1:11 lap. New drivers came in today, especially Joshua. He set a lap that made him go P5, last. Apollo and Lime had a quick tangle at the last corner after Fridgeley went round the outside of all of them. Lime set a faster lap than Joshua, hitting himself in P4. Apollo lost his front wing, but that didn't make him lose P3. Apollo as well slid off the track on turn 1. Lime had a suspension failure and crashed out. Joshua and Tanoa at the DRS zone had a quick fight, but Tanoa came out on top. So for pre-season testing, day 4, it was Fridgeley on top, and then followed by Senna, then Apollo, then Lime, then finally Joshua.